the two spotters because if they would fly over, it's very easy for those two guys to take the whole weight of this flyer. As long as these two guys, girls, are holding on to the wrists, they're actually making sure that their head doesn't hit the ground. Also, if she comes down straight, these guys make sure that they grab her hips and slow the falling. If she falls over straight, these guys just grab her, place her feet on the ground. Over here, we're going to do a lifting position, but first we're going to start off with a movement. The movement is a breathing movement where one of these guys is going to give a cue, and it's breathe in, flyer sinks in the knees, and jumps up. And then you push into the wrist to lift. Okay? This hand is actually doing very little, and you really want to push into the wrist, which then lift the shoulders, and you lift them up. So let's see how they do. Wow, these guys rock it, yeah? And then without giving a cue. Yeah? So you can give a cue, you can say like, ready, and something like that. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to do that same move, only this goes going to be on one leg, and I'm going to lift all the way into the shoulders. So take one step back and center of the mat, so we're not close over here. Okay, so lift up, yeah, so here, look at the knee, her knees are next to each other. I don't have a knee on the ground, I'm squatted. I'm ready. Ready? Ooh. Nice.
Classic.
Okay, Holly, get out. So very good, very good.
I'm going.
Yeah. So what was going on here? So I asked her to go a little bit lower. She went too deep, and then she went back up. You know. So when you adjust your position.